In that case, the allegation is that you were in the village of Colon and you damaged some vehicle tires which belonged to Katie Brandy's. I got an upside down chair. I'll put this in waiting room. Mr. Gowan has failed to appear for a pretrial and filed 251871. Ross Truckee is his lawyer. I'm going to reset that for this Thursday afternoon at 2 o'clock. Ross is scheduled to be here then. Failed to appear for arraignment on a charge of malicious destruction of property in front of Judge Pattison. He has a new retail fraud charge.
Your Honor, on that file number, can you give me the suffix letters?
SM 1871 SM
1871?
1871.
Oh,
Yes, thank you.
okay.
All over this.
Yeah. 1958 SM. That's the MDLP. 252203. That's a retail fraud second. He's not going anywhere. Did you manage to get out of your driveway this morning? Did you shovel it out or did you have somebody?
I have some very, very nice neighbors who always plow me out.
Maybe they could come over to my house, about croak myself.
No, the village did a crappy job because they left snowbanks. There's no way I could have plowed myself out.
Yeah, the road commission comes and plows the road and it puts like a cement frozen wall of snow at the end of your driveway. Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
This is Judge Middleton. I'm here at the courthouse. With me also is Jeanette Jackson from the public defender's office. You got several things going on. We're going to deal with them. Are you Savan Elisha Gowan?
Yes, I am.
You had a charge of domestic violence. You were set for a pretrial with the attorney Ross Truckee to represent you on Friday afternoon, this Thursday, December 4th. You failed to appear, or he was set to represent you on October 30th. You didn't show up for your hearing on October 30th. The bench warrant issued and you got arrested over the weekend. When did you get arrested?
I was just brought in on Wednesday. I've been in rehab and I went on my own. I didn't tell anybody I went.
Where'd you get arrested on Wednesday?
At my house.
On Fawn River Road?
No, I wasn't on Fawn River Road. I was on 300 South 4th Street.
Did they come there specifically to arrest you, or did you have just some other reason to have contact with them?
They said they came there because I had bench warrants and they were shining flashlights in my face and told me to come out front.
All right, well, very good. Get the case back on track. I'm going to set this for a last pretrial with attorney Truckee for this Thursday. He's set to be here that day, 12/4 at 2 o'clock. Bond is now $1,000 cash or surety. You also failed to appear for arraignment in a charge of malicious destruction of property. Take a look at that. That is file number 251958. In that case, the allegation is that you were in the village of Colon and you damaged some vehicle tires which belonged to Katie Brandy's, and you had been in a dating relationship. Injury of more than $200, but less than $1,000. I can attest, having just bought 2 new sets of tires, that a set of 4 tires can be well over $1,000. Anyway, that's the allegation. They allege that it happened on August 30th.
If I may, I did go in and replace all 4 tires. If that means
Well, don't say
anything.
any more about it. Show a plea of not guilty. When appoint attorney Rhonda Ives and said an attorney pretrial for January 1st. I can't go that far out. For December 19th. At 8:30. Bond in that case was also set by the magistrate at $1,000 cash or surety, actually set by Judge Pattison. He did show up for your arraignment. Where did you go to rehab?
In Kalamazoo at Enlightened Recovery.
What's the name of it?
Enlightened Recovery.
Lang's Recovery?
Enlightened.
Oh, Enlightened.
Yes, sir.
Well, that's a plus. All right, then we got one more. File 252303. Charge of retail fraud in the 2nd degree. In that case, it's alleged you were at the Myers store on October 12th, and you stole some stuff, and you had a previous offense, making it a 2nd degree retail fraud. That's punishable by up to a year in jail and a fine of up to $2,000. Excuse me. Hoping before January 1, I won't be sick anymore. Gotta start hanging around, stop hanging around with little kids. All right, I'm gonna show you plea not guilty on that. Show plea of not guilty. I'm gonna appoint an attorney. Set attorney pretrial again for December 19th. At 8:30. If I code to December 2nd, it's more than 28 days from the day you got arrested. So I'm gonna accelerate this up to December 19th. So you got 3 set bond at $1,000 cash or surety. You're not to go to Myers. When did you get out of rehab?
I got out of rehab on probably, I'm just spitballing here. I think it was roughly the 15th
Of what?
November. I went on November 3rd.
All right. Well, you never bothered to call your lawyers or the court or show up for anything. So now you're sitting in jail. Mr. Truckee represents you in the first case. We'll deal with that this Thursday. Maybe they can address everything on Thursday. The other 2 cases are set for a little later. That would be December 19th. All right, Mr. Gowan, you're good to go.
Thank you.
Hey, thanks for watching. Please do let us know in the comments what you thought of this video. If you'd like to support what we do here, the best way to do it is to pick up some of our merch. You can find it at courtroomfiles.com.